The dust collector just plugs in, and twist it to lock it. Fit and finish on this thing, you know, it's pretty nice considering the price point on this. I'm gonna put the price in the description below, but you know, this is a fairly inexpensive tool. So obviously it's not cordless like, you know, the nicer high-end tools, but you know, for a hobbyist who's just getting started, this would definitely do the job. So let's plug it in and just do some sanding. So I've got some real rough lumber here that we'll just take off the top coat on, see how it does, and then I'll try getting down in these nooks and crannies with the tip, which is what a mouse sander is really good at. I do like how the button, I mean, it's kind of, you know, it's a cheaper way of sealing the button, but it is sealed from all your dust you're creating, so that's nice.